Current is built to replace many of the functions of a checking account, while Cash App is built primarily for sending money quickly between people. That difference is the easiest way to decide which one is better overall. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is better for daily banking, which is better for payments, and which one I would choose if I could only keep one. If your goal is managing your paycheck, bills, savings, and everyday spending, Current is the better overall financial app. If your goal is sending and receiving money from friends, family, or customers, Cash App is usually the better payment app. Let's start with Current. Current is designed around banking features. You can receive direct deposits, track spending, create savings goals, use a debit card, and manage your money from one mobile app. Eligible users may also have access to overdraft-related features and other account benefits depending on their activity. The biggest advantage is organization. Current treats your money like a checking account, so it works well for paying rent, subscriptions, utilities, groceries, and other recurring expenses. Now, compare that with Cash App. Cash App is built around peer-to-peer payments. Sending money to another Cash App user is usually the fastest and most convenient part of the experience. The app also includes additional financial features, but payments remain its core strength. Cash App is excellent for splitting dinner, paying a friend, collecting money for an event, or receiving small payments quickly. The interface is simple, and most people learn it in a few minutes. So which one is better overall? Choose Current if you receive a paycheck by direct deposit. You want budgeting and spending tools. You need a debit card for daily purchases. You want one app for most banking tasks. Choose Cash App if you frequently send money to other people. You get paid by friends, clients, or customers. You want the simplest possible payment experience. You don't need full banking features. For most people, I would choose Current as the better overall option because it handles more of the financial tasks that happen every month. Cash App is the better companion app for fast payments. Here's the bottom line. Current wins for everyday banking and money management. Cash App wins for speed and convenience in peer-to-peer payments. Your next step is simple. Look at the last 10 times you used a financial app. If most of those actions were paying bills and buying things, choose Current. If most were sending money to people, choose Cash App. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward comparisons of banking apps, payment apps, and personal finance tools.